Okay, so today we're in Macau, and this is Rua Gago Coutinho. So today we're gonna just check out and see. We're gonna do a little contest and just kind of see how many people we can find that are wearing black clothing. And we did this the other day, but we're gonna do it again today, and in a whole other part of Macau. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna take this camera out, and we're actually, I see 1, 2, 3, 4. So the other day, there's more. The other day I was in kind of a certain place where I was at Sao Paulo Ruins, and I did the same game. So we're gonna try this game again today, and we're just gonna see what we find out. So this area is, I think they call it Gosida, which is a part of, let's see if we can get around. This part is definitely part of Macau as well, but this is more where more locals go. Sao Paulo Ruins can have kind of a mix of Filipinos and tourists and all kinds of different people. That's a pretty cool dog. But this particular street, this particular area is predominantly foreigners, or predominantly local Macau people. And actually I can already see there's more black shirts here. I had this theory that a lot of people wear black shirts in Macau, and it seems to be ringing more true in this area in a way that wasn't so true when I was in that like that Sonata Square, Sao Paulo Ruins. It's more mix of like it's COVID right now as well, so I do have to say that. So kind of some of the buildings around here. Actually, one of the things that's unique about this area is just how many stories each of these buildings are. So basically this entire area, and we'll just give you Avenida do Ovidor Arriaga. I'm sorry for the mispronunciation. Pretty cool housing everywhere. Okay, I think we're gonna be able to get across. Then we'll continue our game as we walk. So we're gonna go. We're basically walking through an area called Gosida. We have to go a whole other block here. Actually, this little block, there's not many people here, so maybe before we go down that block, let's just go to one where there's more people around. So we'll follow this one down, and we'll just kind of see if our theory fits or not. You do get a chance to see Avenida do Ovidor Arriaga. There's a foreigner on a bike on the other side. Okay, I think that was like I guess they put their ashes in there. Actually, it's not a bad idea. If you're a smoker, I think they're not allowed to throw the cigarettes on the street. I don't see any cigarette butts. Oh, there's one right there. That might be another video altogether. But this video is what it is. So we'll conclude in a few minutes. Let me just see where we're at. Yeah, we're already at the 5-minute mark, so let's conclude in a few minutes. And actually, one thing about this particular area is there's a lot more density, so it's easy to get a little bit stuck behind people. Let's just go up here a little bit further, then we're gonna end this one. Okay, it's white and black. Let's just see white over there. 1, 2, 3, 4 white. Actually, that was the thing that we were having last time I did this, was that there was a lot of white and black and some red. I'm seeing a little bit of red again, but predominantly white and black. So some of them are kind of makes sense. I think maybe black is the color at nighttime and white is the color in the daytime, maybe. Well, anyways, got a couple of greens up there too, so it's actually a little bit all over the place with what color t-shirts people wear, right? But I think it's kind of interesting. You get to see some of the city streets, you get to see this part of town. I should probably get more into the city part. Let me know what you're interested in. It's kind of fun sometimes to people watch and kind of, you know, observe certain things. So there's one with all black. Here's our scooter riders. They're kind of a mix of black, white, different stuff. In general, this game is hard. This street is a bit busier, so we can maybe find some interesting. Let me see, gray, black, red. Kind of got every color actually. Maybe what do you guys notice? Do you notice a certain theme? It'd be more interesting if there was a specific nightlife area where we could test this out. But actually, we were just walking around. For context, it's a Wednesday. It is, what time is it now? It's about 5 p.m., 6 p.m. That's the context. Okay, let's just end it in this big crowd of people, and you can let me know what you think. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.